Hi everyone, Thao here. So I've been trying to get my mom to be a little more active and thought a fitness band would be a good place to start. After doing a little bit of research, I decided to pick this guy up. This is the Mi Band 4 from Xiaomi. The main reason I went with this is due to how well received it is and the fact that it's super affordable. Prices seem to vary, but you can find these for under $40. My mindset was, at that price, even if my mom hated it, it wouldn't be a major loss. After some initial testing, I have to say, I'm seriously impressed. I love the idea of affordable tech that can make a positive impact on something as important as health. Anyways, let's get into my experience with the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. The Mi Band 4 has a simple but good-looking unisex design. It's narrow, relatively thin, but most importantly, its lightweight design helps me forget it's even on at times. The band has a smooth, soft touch texture. Because my wrists are small, I like to wear it on the last notch. It is a little awkward to put on and tighten at first, but you get used to it. Now, although the display doesn't span the entire front of the band, the AMOLED display helps give off that illusion. Visibility is fine even in direct sunlight. I found the fourth level to be a good balance for indoor and outdoor use. At the bottom, you have a capacitive button to wake up the watch, and it also serves as a back button. Swiping up or down takes you through the different functions and menus. Swiping left or right takes you to the music controls for your phone. There's no storage or speaker, so you can't play music just off the band. The battery life is great. It supposedly can last up to 20 days on standby. I've been wearing mine for 40 straight, and the battery life is sitting at 60% right now. The thing I dislike the most about the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 has to be charging. Every time you want to charge it, you have to take the strap off, which requires stretching and pulling on it until it pops off. Oh, and if you're wondering, it takes a little under 2 hours to fully charge. Setup requires you to install the Mi Fit app. It'll display things like steps, sleep, and heart rate trends. The app is also required to tweak numerous settings on the band that isn't possible otherwise. So, how does it do as an activity and fitness tracker? Well, for $40, it's kind of hard to complain. I do want to mention that the band doesn't have GPS built in, so it does rely on your phone for that. I found the step tracking to be on par with my Galaxy Watch. Wrist-based step trackers are definitely not perfect, but I plan on setting a 5K daily step goal for my mom. Seeing her current steps throughout the day will hopefully serve as a reminder and motivation to get up and get going. I can also keep an eye on her progress if I install the Mi Fit app on my phone. So Mom, I'm watching you. The heart rate monitor can record in 1, 5, 10, or 30-minute intervals. It works well, and I like how it breaks things down into different heart rate zones in the Mi Fit app. I wore the band to sleep for a couple of nights. I was pleasantly surprised at how handy the information was presented to me in the Mi Fit app. I got up at 1 a.m. to use the washroom, and as you can see, it was able to detect that. You get a sleep score, total time of sleep, helpful reminders, as well as a comparison chart. If you're asking me, that's pretty cool. You can set up the inactivity alerts, which I have done so for my mom. Basically, if the band detects she's been inactive for over 60 minutes, it will notify her to get up and get going. Yeah, she might hate me for this one. I tried a couple of treadmill runs as well as some workouts in the weight room without any issue, but this isn't something that my mom's gonna be using. It's fairly basic, but gets the job done. The watch is capable of notifying you of incoming calls with the option to decline right from the band. You'll also receive text messages, but the watch can't display emojis or anything that isn't basic text. Overall, notifications work, but again, fairly basic. It wouldn't be the main reason why I'd buy this watch. Watch faces are interesting. You get quite a few to choose from, but I would say only a handful are actually ones I'd use. Throw in the ability to set alarms or event reminders, check the weather forecast, and even a Find My Phone function. The Mi Band 4 is offering some serious value. I'll be the first to say that a fitness tracker isn't going to magically make you healthier, but I do think it can serve as a tool to build better habits and as a source of motivation. The Mi Band 4 is affordable and great for those looking to dip their toes into the fitness tracker life. This is a serious bang for your buck device. Now let's see if my mom will actually wear this thing and hit her daily step goals. One step at a time, right? Let me know if you have any specific questions about the Mi Band 4 that I didn't cover down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until the next one, peace. Bye!